2023 Acura Integra. It's going to debut November the 11th. That's the final date, folks, for the debut. Now, it's scheduled to return in 2022 as a 2023 model. The Acura Integra is going to premiere, yes, November the 11th. Now, Honda Premium Division is going to present this. And the debut is going to be live streamed on the automaker's website at 5:35 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the attached press mentioned that the new Acura Integra prototype global reveal, which means you're going to be presented with a near production car. Now, it's going to mirror a Hyundai unveiling of the 2022 Civic. It's going to be the same as though it was on Twitch. Now, as opposed to the Civic, which is currently available in the 4-door sedan, the 5-door hatchback Acura decided on yes, just what I said, the 5-door liftback design with a sloping roofline. Now, the landing page for the all-new Integra confirms a 6-speed manual transmission as being available, which means that the customers will also be treated to a 2-paddle training. Fantastic, folks. You're going to have 3 paddles: clutch, brakes, and a gas. It's going to be awesome and fantastic. Now, what type is anyone to guess right now? The Civic, for example, comes with a continuously variable box. The ILX is rocking the 8-speed DCT, which has a great sporty nature, and the DCT seems to be the appropriate choice for this car. Acura may also prove us wrong and do something totally different. Now, the sibling of the Civic Si, the Integra, with their 6-speed manual, is certain to receive a RAV matching system. Now, the RAV matching system is also going to be on a lot of other cars, including the Nissan Z car. And RAV matching is just awesome. It's going to be a short throw shifter, a limited slip differential, front differential that is, nice sway bars, reinforced upper mounts, and unique dampers. It's going to be pretty certain as well. Force-fed power plant, and that's going to be also up for debate. Again, you got that beautiful 1.5 liter VTEC and the all-new Civic Si, which is going to be the choice that people usually choose. Now, even though the 2.0 liter VTEC turbo and the Acura Sport, it's something that we would all love. The lesser engine with 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet in a compact sedan where the motor is going to crank out 252 horses and 273 pound-feet of torque in a mid-size sedan. Well, Acura is going to offer a more in-depth look at this baby on November the 17th as well, when the Los Angeles Convention Center is going to open its doors for the Los Angeles Auto Show. So stand by for November the 11th, and after that, November the 17th, for a more in-depth look at the new 2023 Acura Integra. The debut date, yes, is confirmed, November the 11th, but also stay tuned for November the 17th at the Los Angeles Auto Show. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.